Hi everyone, in the next episode we're going to talk about the 3 common mistakes when using a shampoo or choosing a shampoo for your hair care. First of all, thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Now, we all want to look after our hair. We want to keep our hair as healthy as possible. And part of the treatment options that we're going to use is going to be using shampoo therapy. And so what shampoo does, generally speaking, is keeping the surface of the scalp clean. And remember, when we're using a shampoo, the actual hair that we see above the scalp, that's essentially like rope. It's dead. There's nothing much that the actual shampoo that you're applying to the scalp is necessarily doing for that hair follicle. All the active or the live portion of that hair is the bit that's beneath the skin. So when we're choosing a shampoo or when we incorporate shampoo, and certainly hair loss types of shampoo, there are certain things that we want to avoid. And these are the common 3 mistakes that people make when using shampoo therapy. First of all, we want to avoid using shampoo too regularly, especially if they're strong shampoos and high in detergents. Then they're more likely to cause drying of the hair follicle, which will result in the hair follicle becoming more brittle and snapping. So you don't need to be shampooing your hair on a daily basis just because you want to keep the scalp clean. Strong shampoos strip the hair follicles of their natural oils, which can make them more brittle. Secondly, we want to be sure that we're using safe shampoos. So what do I mean by that? A lot of the cheaper shampoos, or certainly the older ones, have high concentrations of sulfates and parabens. And if they're applied to the scalp continuously, can be absorbed, and there can be a buildup of the toxic effect in the body. And as I said, a lot of the newer shampoos are sulfate and paraben free, but make sure you check the label to make sure the ones that you are using are actually both sulfate and paraben free. And the last mistake that people make, especially when using a medicated shampoo, and there are a variety of hair loss shampoos that have things like caffeine or multivitamins or even medications such as ketoconazole, and they work by absorbing through the surface of the scalp. And this absorption takes time. And if we're applying a shampoo and washing it off relatively quickly, then we're not getting the beneficial effect of the active ingredient. And I generally say that it takes about 6 to 8 minutes for the active ingredients to fully absorb. Now this means you need to apply the shampoo and leave it on for this period of time, which is actually quite long, before washing it off in order to get the most beneficial effect. So understand that shampoos can be useful, but avoid these common mistakes to get the most out of your shampoo practice. I hope you found that useful. We'll see you on the next episode. Take care.